Enjoy your drive.
She's fine.
See you later, lover. Feeding this little monkey. Well, she goes driving, and then I think the house is very quiet. The house is very quiet. They're all supposed to be on schoolwork, and I'm not certain that they are. Once I start feeding, they just go off and do what they want. So I'm going to need to lay this boy down. He's almost dropped off. And check on everyone, because we're off out this afternoon when Shannon gets back, and Michael. So it's a Thursday morning, and we've just been working from home so far. That's all that's going on. I thought you were going to go to sleep. Hey! You just fed for half an hour and then sat up smiling. Yeah? You don't want a nap? Ooh, what?
Mummy, it's annoying me.
What's annoying you, dear?
Wobbly too.
Lauren's coming with a wobbly tooth. I don't actually know what Lauren's been doing.
Oh, I've been writing
Writing.
my diary.
Oh.
I don't have such a write on paper.
Well, that's exciting, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really annoying me, but it only just started to get wobbly yesterday, so it's not going to come out anytime soon.
Is it really loose or just a tiny bit?
No, just a
Oh.
little bit.
Well, excuse you.
But I always eat on this side, not only this side.
Well, you may have to change that for a while. He has a Christmas jumper on.
Yeah!
A little reindeer.
Guys,
Is it a
happy
reindeer?
Thanksgiving.
Is that... Oh, yeah. Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
It's Thanksgiving, Ephraim. Your first Thanksgiving. We're not American, but it's still your first Thanksgiving. Yeah. Exciting. Yeah. So usually I do, even though we're not American, a big Thanksgiving dinner, and we have a Thanksgiving themed sort of day. But today we are doing things differently because we're going out for a meal. Going out for Thanksgiving meal. Yeah? It just works out. This afternoon we're going to play some badminton and some games.
Mum, look at Ephraim.
What, Ephraim? What is it, mister? So we're going to play badminton and play some games this afternoon together. And then Shannon needs to go. College this evening has a presentation show with fire. Obviously I've paid a lot of attention. Some kind of fire show put on that she needs to be at because she's doing some photography there. Or I think they're just going anyway. I'm not quite sure. There's a show on at college tonight. Yes. That she needs to be at. So when we've played our games and done badminton and things, we're going to go for a meal down there near church so that we can drop her off at college on the way home. I wouldn't get time to come back and make a big Thanksgiving dinner before she had to leave, so we'll have an early dinner out, yeah? Kisses?
I'll play badminton now.
Oh, mister, are you ready to get dressed?
No.
Do you want to go bye-byes today?
No. Do you want to go to a restaurant? No.
You'll regret that in a second. Hang on, he's going to think about that. Ah! Yes, I do!
Do you go to a restaurant? No. Oh.
He will. Right.
Do we go to church and play? No.
Joshua, we're going out. We're going to have a fun day and we're going to have a nice time.
Yeah. Woo.
Right, we need to change our nappy and I'll go get you some clothes, okay?
Where am I going?
Go in there and get your nappy, mister.
Or half past. It's a 1/4 at 1/2.
Do you want me to change him or you?
You can.
She's the only other one that will change him. Well, Michael will every so often if he's around.
No nappy.
No nappy! There's a pack of nappies. There's a pack of nappies in the cupboard. There is. Yes, there is. I'll get them. Right, I'll do it, Lauren. It's not a pleasant job. So you can take baby. That is pleasant. That is pleasant, playing with this one. No, there is. Neither of you are seeing what's going on. Come here.
Stop napping.
Take baby. I put them in there last night. I'll put more in.
And I threw them all out the window.
But Beth threw them all out the window. Crazy heads. How'd you get on this?
Can you jump over Joshua?
Can you jump over Josh?
Joshua.
I've just jumped over him.
So
And Daniel's so impressed. We just go,
run.
run and jump! Yeah! How's it?
Daniel! Lauren tried to and she ended up sprawling on the floor.
Lauren threw herself. Oh! Right, how'd your lesson go?
I drove home.
No, we should have come and seen you.
I said I never drove home before.
Do you want to drive today? Although you won't like my car. But...
Do you have your driver's license?
Do you have your driving licence? Daniel wants this sorted, quick. Right, we're just making a lunch. Yeah?
I said that the second and the third lesson are the hardest.
Oh, was today the hardest?
Oh, well, it wasn't like last time, because last time I was just going on the road going into any hazards. Today, oh, great.
What?
Oh, a lot of hazards.
Oh, what's the love? Hazards, fancy that.
Right,
Dan, he's
same
trying to
time
see if he
next
can
week.
jump as high as him.
Well, 11:15.
Are you still just doing one a week? She can't fit you in.
Not a minute.
Ah! Is he trying to get as high as you? Shannon's home! Right, Evie?
Do you want to look at these numbers? Oh,
There he goes, he's running in the air.
that was a bit rubbish.
Do you have Bethany's number?
No, not right now. I haven't got my phone. It's not working, we'll do it later. He does run in the air.
No camera work there, just look at what I'm wearing.
I'll skip you. In your lovely pink shop.
I'm the main event. Nobody's gonna bother, look.
Just someone do a game then.
This is a game.
Oh no.
There's money on this.
Well, you all have too much money then.
We're at full power.
Ron, Lol, I've started filming now that you've picked it up.
Well,
Shame your dad hasn't.
no, Lola, I said lol. I said Lola.
Shan.
It's more lol and Beth, really.
You two just have a game. Get them two off.
See, Rach, she's just advanced, she just walked up.
Someone's left some chocolate milkshake on the stand.
Somebody just left a box of Heroes out there.
There's a few, I know.
They don't care.
Well, I said to Lol it's for age concern, and she says, I'm really concerned about my age. I thought it was over, the days of putting film in.
It should be.
We went digital, dear. The world went digital.
The world moved
Stuff with
on.
film that you can't do with digital.
The world moved on, Sean. You need to move on with it.
No.
You're too old. You're sick.
Anyone would think you were practicing cricket.
Yeah,
Have you not got a golf club in my car?
I still play Daniels.
Daniel's little, well, I suppose it.
What's the channel? You can't do it.
I can't be filming you.
Yeah, just look at what I'm wearing.
I know, it looks great though. He's struggling with his dress sense right now.
You've got a washing problem.
No, I've washed all of it. It's an ironing problem. Hey, you do find a wrapper?
Hey, cutie. Hey.
Oh, he likes the tripod.
Hey, you always smiling. Come on.
I can show you what was going wrong.
Oh, go for it, love.
So I have more of a baseball grip, which is here. And then the club face was down here. The club face was going up here. But it wasn't holding on, so it was going up here.
Look at your bad neck.
See how that one, felt like it crossways there?
Yeah.
Straight there.
Yeah, I see.
And then as you come round, but now the hand grip goes here. So it comes back here. You see it straight up. And then as it comes round, it only opens up on contact with the ball.
Very professional, though. He's smelling this way.
That's right. This will be like the fastest green. Where is it? So you see the sugar cup.
Oh, right. Oh, I can do that.
You think you can do that?
Yeah.
Do you know how much skill that took?
I'm skilled.
And it missed by what? I guarantee you, it'll hit the wall.
Okay, how many hours a week practice do you have?
Good grief.
I've not swung a goal. Well, I don't swing goals.
No, well, don't swing it in here either.
Okay.
Miles too hard.
No. You have way too much practice for anything.
That's much better days, but it's still too much.
Right, I know what I'm doing.
It's hard, isn't it?
Nah.
This is like the greens at best in this sort of pace. But not in winter. In winter you go back up. Way too that way. Yeah. You go too far that way. Yeah. No, not hard. Still too much. That's more like it. That's more like it. Boom!
Ah, I got it! Is it good, baby? In the middle of our badminton match, we get disturbed because Shannon needs someone's face.
Now, I want you to look off to the side. Well, that's old funny, isn't it? Something.
Are you doing a wall sit there? What are you up to, mister?
There's been a mountain there.
Hello.
Hello. Do you want to go play badminton now?
Not right now.
No.
Next to the high.
You're a hazard to Shannon. She's just stole my car. Did Shannon steal my car?
Back.
What is she doing?
Going in.
Crazy driver.
I think they're just coming to church.
I think she's just being crazy.
I'm hitting the shoe.
Whoa.
Josh just walked up to the mirror and there, looked at himself and went, no, started doing this. I was like, yeah!
I just sorted
And now
it.
he's just sat there looking like this at the mirror. Yeah! He's just nodding over and over. He's just like,
She's just going round in circles.
yeah, he's just like, no.
What was that thing? So he just said, she walks down and just said, yeah, this is something my husband would wear.
This is something my husband would wear. Okay. Was it funny, Dan? Dan, see anything you like? Yes, actually.
Dad, can I just say something crazy? I love crazy.
YouTube videos, Daniel.
Me and Dan, story time guy.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, story time guy.
Oh, did you? I missed. You got it in your shoe.
You suck!
Why does she suck? She
said I could never do it. She was wrong.
Okay, so 40 shots later, you did it.
Was it 40 shots?
It was not 40 shots later.
Yeah, it's probably more than that.
Come on, let's go. Are you driving around? We have to summon a lift from you.
There's my command.
That camera's gonna go flying.
You don't need your wipers, do you, lover?
Well, I didn't mean to put my wife.
Oh, it's just there. Have you got your lights on?
Where's that?
You need lights on in this dirt.
We're gonna go around the whole way.
Are we? Yeah, because it's well fun. Are you all feeling safe?
No.
This is
fun. She was driving us around before. It was fun.
It's really
sliding
fun.
everywhere.
Oh.
It's really fun.
It's like ice skating. We're gonna go around and then we're gonna come back and go out again.
I see.
We're gonna crash.
I think Santa's should have a driver's license.
Do you give her one?
Get out
Do you
the
think she
sunroof.
should pass now? Who's passed you?
I think she should have a driver's license.
Okay.
Is it possible that we can go any slower?
Ah.
I can't go fast in here. I won't be able to turn. Don't tempt me. Do you want me to get her to go slow or to crash? Maybe one small round.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Oh, it's making up the speed. That was just for Beth. Thank you, Shan.
Did you appreciate that, Beth?
That one more mile was good for mile? One more mile? Well, Beth's never going to be able to drive if she calls them miles. Wait, it's a mile thing. A mile. Where's Dad?
He's just locking up. Let's just go.
Okay.
Driving us to the restaurant.
Bye, Dad.
We're all finishing up here.
Let's finishing up.
You're what? So tired?
Story time. The girl is the little screaming face. Story time. The girl knew just what to do to annoy the people around her, who she was kicking under the table as she danced. The girl stared into the distance, unaware of the girl trying to take her food off her. Hello, I'm going to go watch Harry Potter. Bye bye. But first, I'm in the dark right now. But first, like this video. You should also subscribe and share it with all your friends. Whether you like the video or not, share it because they might like it. I just want to go watch Harry Potter. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Like, subscribe, share, comment.